This is Danielle with the RV Liquidation Center. We're going to take a look at a Cherokee 251RK. So this is a rear kitchen floor plan. Has lots of light in this one with lots of windows. So it's a great floor plan with a U-shaped dinette. U-shaped dinette does fold into a bed if you need extra sleeping area. You have drawers underneath for storage. And then you also have USB ports behind your dinette there to plug in kids' games, videos, electronics. Behind us is going to be your rear kitchen. So you have your nice double-door refrigerator and freezer, which works on propane or electricity. You have your nice pantry, lots of storage space here. Then you also have your microwave, stainless steel microwave, your 3-burner stove. The stove does have a cover over it, so if you need extra space to work on. And then your oven here. This is the newer style sinks that they're doing. Large sink with your cover there. Your faucet is adjustable. You do have USB ports and power also in the kitchen area, along with nice lighting there. These lights are all push-of-a-button LED lights. And then you do have lighting above us with a skylight, and you can close it. Lots of storage in the kitchen area. And then we also have your couch. So this does fold up like so, and then you can fold it down into a bed as well for extra sleeping if you need it. To our right is going to be your fireplace. That does put off heat. Above that is going to be set up for your TV. And then above that is going to be your Furrion radio. Let's move into the bathroom. Okay, so this bathroom you can get in through either the hallway or you can get in through the bedroom. So you don't have to have guests going into your bedroom to access the bathroom. This bathroom does have your corner shower, and it does have a skylight above. If you're a little on the taller side, makes it more convenient for you. You have your medicine cabinet here, and then your sink, extra storage below the sink. Okay, so we're in the bedroom. The bedroom is a walk-around queen bed, and you do have USB ports and plug-ins on both sides of the bed. You do have your LED lights, reading lights. So just push a button, and then lots of storage above, lots of storage on both sides. This one does have a window here, and then your emergency exit to our right. It does have a sliding door for privacy, and then your main door in the hallway here. This one you can lift up the bed for storage, so you can use that. You also can access it from outside in the pass-through storage. Let's take a look outside. Okay, so we're on the outside of the travel trailer. Up towards the front of the travel trailer is going to be your solar charger here. And then we have your large pass-through storage, which you can access it from either side and underneath the bed. As we move towards the back here is going to be your power awning. It's all push of a button. And then your entry door here. These steps are easy to do. They just fold right up and then you secure the door. This is your handle here. It has the larger entry handle, which makes it nice and convenient. To the side here is going to be your hookups for your outside TV. So here's your mount here, and then here are your plug-ins here. 2 speakers if you want to hang out outside underneath your awning, listen to the radio, watch TV, all right here. Let's go ahead to the back. Okay, so now we're in the back of the trailer. This does have the rack that folds down, so if you want to use it for an ice chest or any kind of extra storage. And then above that is going to be for your backup camera. It is all pre-wired, just needs the backup camera plug and play. Back here is going to be your hookups. This is your 30 amp hookup here, and then for your cable. Let's move this way. Your power slide out is here. And then we're moving into your dump station area. You have your outside shower here with your hot and cold water, and then all your connections. This one does have the black tank standing flush, which is a nice convenient thing to have instead of putting your hose through your window. And then your dump valves are all below us here. Up to the front here is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. And up towards the front is going to be where you have your propane tanks. And then we put the battery on, and then your power tongue jack. So that's nice and convenient. You don't have to crank it up. It's just all push of a button. Okay, thank you for taking a look at the Cherokee 251RK.